Hi, in this video you are going to see the extension of star project which you have coded earlier. Let me show it to you. And now our butterfly will draw a very nice drawing. You can see it is drawing very nicely. It goes on continuing it. Now it has completed the project. This is the extension of the star project which we have done earlier. If you have not done it or seen it, please go and refer my previous video so that this video will be comfortable for you. Before I code this project, I have told you in my earlier videos that I am going to explain you what is a spirograph. Let me explain you what is a spirograph is. Then we will start coding for this project. You would have seen these geometrical devices, and the bigger one which is called as a stator, and it has a big ring inside it, and you can see the smaller rings over here, and both of these rings have the gears in the edges, in all the edges, and it has even the holes. What you do, you place this smaller ring inside this stator and you insert your pencil in any of these holes and you start to write on a paper in a circle. Now what happens once you rotate it in a circle as shown, it is going to draw a very nice graph which is called as a spirograph. And if you change these holes, it is going to create different geometrical shapes. These geometrical shapes are called as spirographs. Now in the last session, what we have done was we have coded for this star project. I will just click it, what it will do, just see. This is the code for our star project. If you see this angle, I'm going to change this angle. For example, I will make 154 instead of 144. Now you just see 154, and now I'm going to play this one, run. I'm going to execute this program. Now just watch what it will happen. Oh, still I have to complete still more stars. And now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it as repeat 8 times, and let me see what will happen. Oh, perfect. It is drawing 8. I think we have to only put 7, I think. So now here we have to change this angle. Here I have 154 degrees, and now here I'm going to change it. The half of it I'm going to make point in a direction of 77. I'm going to type 77 over here, and now you can see whenever I click on this, what will happen. Now the star size has been increased. And now if you look, now this is a different star. And now I'm going to increase it by 164. Now here what I will do, I will increase by 164. And as I said, I have to change here also. What I will do now, this I will make it as half of it 82. And now let us see what will happen. Now you can see still, oh, I have to increase it. I have to increase this, repeat this by, it is only 10 times. And now once again I will try this. Yeah. So this is now perfect. Now it is drawing a different star shape. Now once again I will click it, you can see this now. Yes, and now this is a different star. Now I will once again go and increase it by 174. Now I'm going to make one more different star. So this I will make it as 87. And now you can see what will happen. I'm going to run this. Oh, this is, I need still more step. Oh, then still I have to increase. Maybe I will make it as 32, and then you can see this. Now once again I will try this because there is a wrong angle over there. And now you can see it is drawing very nicely. 28, I think 29 would be better, I think, yeah. So yes, this is how this, and if you want to move it little bit this side, what you can do, you can make this as -100, and then it will exactly come to the center. Now you can see, yeah. Yes. Now you can once again, if you place it, yes, and now you can see the perfect picture of it. Now let me try for more. I will make it as 184. Now similarly I have to change the angle here. I will make this as 92 now, and now you can see it's going to make still very nice picture. Now I have to increase, I think somewhere around, I will make it as 48. Let me just check it by trial and error. Now I'm going to run this program. Now you can see it is sketching in all direction, very nice spirograph it is making. Yeah, I think 46 is enough. I can see, yes. Now you can try this for different angles. I'm going to show you for the different angles now. Now I have made the angle as 194 degrees, and I have set this point in direction to 97, and I'm going to run this program. Just see what will happen. You can see this line, since I have not completed the entire picture, that is all the repetitions, that's why you are able to see. If you complete this, then you may not able to find this line. Yes, it looks very nice. I think still I have to complete one more line, but I thought this will look nice, so I stopped it here. This is for 204 degrees. I have made it to point in a direction of 102. Let us see what will happen. This is also drawing very nicely. This is for 214 degrees, and I have made point in direction to 107. Let us see what it will show. You can see it is also drawing a nice picture. Now by changing this degrees, the turn direction, as well as by changing this point in direction, as I have mentioned, you can go on even trying up to the different degrees, and you can see different types of spirograph drawings are created. Now that's it about this video. Please do try a different angle, different types of spirographs. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.